NASA has unveiled plans for its first lunar mission in over 50 years. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman joins me now. Sir, why are we going back to the moon, and what are we going to do when we get there?
Yeah, what an excellent question. So, for 35 years, presidents have called for America's grand return to the moon. Really wasn't until President Trump took the first steps in making that achievable. He established the Artemis program during his first term, which committed America to going back to the moon. On my first day on the job, on his second term, President Trump said, go back to the moon, and this time to stay. Build an enduring presence, build a moon base, and realize the scientific, economic, and even a national security potential of being on the moon. So why are we going back? We're going back to fulfill a promise to the American people. We're doing it for what we stand to learn from scientific discovery, economic potential, and I'll tell you what, to inspire our kids to want to grow up and take us even farther in the high ground of space.
When we get to the moon and establish the base, do we then go on to Mars?
Absolutely. That's one of the best reasons to go to the moon. Look, the moon is a couple days away, but it is a great proving ground for us. We're going to get our American astronauts, NASA astronauts on the surface of the moon. We're going to start to interact with the lunar regolith. We're going to do in situ resource manufacturing where we work with the water ice to make propellant. And I'll tell you what, that is a critical capability you're going to need to be able to do when you send American astronauts to Mars someday. They're actually going to have to make their propellant on the surface, and then that's how they come back home from Mars to tell us about it. Not to mention, you're going to need nuclear power and propulsion in space. The moon is a perfect proving ground for that. And again, you're going to someday take nuclear power and propulsion farther out into the solar system, explore the outer solar system, and bring it down to the surface of Mars to help make that propellant that we're going to need to send astronauts to and from Mars with great frequency.
I remember when we landed on the moon in 1969, it galvanized the world. You held the world's opinion really very closely. Today, I don't think there is quite the same amount of interest. Do you think you can stimulate this interest with a trip to Mars and the moon?
Well, you know what? July 20th, 1969, we certainly captivate the world's attention when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon. You know, we had a lot less TV channels back then, sir. I'll tell you what. So it's kind of understandable that some of the public's interest is attracted to different things. But I'll tell you what, April 1st, Artemis 2, it's going to be the most important human spaceflight mission in more than a half century. We're sending NASA astronauts and one Canadian Space Agency astronaut around the moon, farther into space than we've ever sent humans before, on a 10-day journey back safely here to Earth, which will set up for subsequent missions. We're going to be launching moon rockets in 2027. We're going to be launching again in 2028, where American astronauts will return to the surface. It's only a matter of time before NASA once again captivates the world's attention.
We will be watching. Jared Isaacman, thank you very much for joining us, sir. We really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.